falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used
to. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi doll, baby.
Hi doll, baby. Hi doll, baby.
How are you? So happy that you are here. So today I have a special little video. It's going to be a 2-for-1. So we're doing one wig color in 2 different style wigs. So if that is something you're interested in, this is what you need to be, because that's what we're doing here. Okay? Alright, so we are going to do Beshe's Tifa and also Motown Tress's Time in the color Camo Green. So we're going to go ahead and start with Tifa, and then we'll move on to Time. Beshe and Motown Tress are the same company, so their colors and their styles, the colors are the same and the styles are often exact and just different wigs. But I would pull this one out in the color Camo Green, and then I forgot I had this one too, and I thought, well, that would be fun. So you could see one color in 2 different styles, so you could see how versatile the color is. I was really drawn to this color because this is Tifa here. As you can see, it definitely is, there is some green in it, but it does have sort of a cool toned brown situation. So I think if somebody wanted to play a little bit with color or just step a little bit outside of the box, this should be a perfect option because it's not too crazy, but it is just a little bit different. This girl here is Magic Lace. I think it's MLI314. I have a full playlist on Magic Lace, so you can check that out. So Tifa is, it says HD invisible lace, spinnable part, pre-plucked part, slayable edges, ear-to-ear baby hair. She comes in quite a few colors. She's heat safe up to 400 degrees, okay? And it says her finished length is 11 inches. I got her from Ebony Line for Elevate Styles for $24.99. So this is her. So you can see her. That is her parting. She's got the lace front. There's a comb right near the part, and then one set wide in the front, and then there are comb in the back adjustable straps. So let me get her on, and I'll give you thoughts, and then we will go and move on to Time. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so this is Tifa. I like her way more than I even thought I would. But as you can see, like, it's definitely a green, but there's all these, like, brown highlights. Oh, I didn't even put powder in the part. So I think that this is so, so cute. I had to put powder in the part because I even forgot. I was liking it so much I didn't even put powder in the part. I combed out with a wide tooth comb some of the curls just to give it a little bit of, you know, less like, you know, just piece it out like natural curly hair would be. It does say it's shiftable, but even though I hate side parts, I shouldn't say hate. I don't usually like side parts, and I don't like bangs. I actually really like this. I can see myself keeping this. She reminds me a tiny bit, not a lot, a tiny bit of Free Tress Equals Liberty. There's also another one, if I can remember, I'll put it up here, that was really cute and curly like this, but I ended up getting rid of it. And I think I'm going to do a video on, like, wigs I regret getting rid of. You will see that, but I really like this. Let's look at her from the back. This is super cute. I really, really like this wig. I think it is gorgeous. I love the color. I think the curls are really, really cute. There's a little bit of texture to it, you know, so it's not a silky wig. Curly wigs take a little bit in terms of making sure that you keep them nice. However, I think because of the length, it should be pretty good as well. So, okay, great. That is Tifa. So let's move on to Time. Okay, I'm so excited that I did this video. I actually didn't think I would like this wig just based on the stock card, but let's talk about her. So this is Time, And she says it's HD, invisible lace, spinnable part, deep lace parting, okay, slayable edges, pre-plucked part. She's heat safe up to 400 degrees. She is a finished length of 10 inches. And there is, you know, she comes in your regular colors and a bunch of other colors. So I got her from Shop Hair Wigs for $20.31. I didn't put any heat to this wig except for right here just to pull these babies' hairs up, but you wouldn't have to. Like, I could lay them down, but I just didn't feel like it. She's more of a silkier texture, but there's so much bounce to this wig. There's just so much bounce. I love the color on this. I feel like if you are looking for a dark brown, but you want to do a little something, this is just so cute. There's some beautiful volume in here. Because she's heat safe, you could really like flatten her out. But this one I definitely think is multicultural, or for those of you that are looking for a non-textured wig, this would be, you know, textured versus non-textured. Like, these two are options, are giving you something totally different in the same color. Let's look at her from the back. I don't know, it's like a back. Yeah, that movement is so good. Nice little stack in the back. Yeah, this is a really pretty wig, and I feel like it feels so high quality to me. I'm pleasantly surprised on this one. I'm gonna be honest with you. I was not expecting anything like this. I like a little tuck behind on the one side, but I wasn't expecting to really like this, to be honest with you. But I do. This is so bouncy, and it just is so airy. This would be great for summer. Great. I mean, either one of them, but this one in particular. I think that although it's short, it's giving you enough volume and enough hair to be able to play around with, to be able to toss around without being overwhelming, and also without being too thin. So I think that's awesome. That's what I have for you for this color in one color, two styles. We have Beshe's Tifa, and then this is Motown Tress's Time. Oh, the wig cap is a little bit large on this one, definitely, for sure. So keep that in mind. If you like this sort of 2-for-1 little video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. If you have either of these wigs and you have thoughts, let me know down below. Check out my Motown Tress Beshe playlist. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!